Here I've got Sharp C10 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select About Phone. Here you should go a bit lower, and once you see build number, keep tapping for 7 times on it, and as you can see, now you have to draw the pattern if you have one, and now you're a developer. Let me go back to a previous window, and now at the bottom of the settings list you will find developer options. Simply click on it to activate them, and now you can use these advanced features and very useful options. Just take a look and then take advantage of them. And if you would like to switch off those options, simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, they are no longer active, and also the icon disappeared from here. So if you would like to activate them one more time, you will have to use the same trick. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate developer options in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.